Okay, now let's process first pass study. Go to the cardiac section and select the first pass and select the data set, which is a dynamic scan mostly acquired with 0.5 seconds per frame. In this case it is 716 frames total. So click left start tab. You will see the ROI on the bolus. You have to you can reposition if you want, or click. Now the lung and the bolus ROI, bolus and select 12B. So these are position the locators at the start and the end of the left ventricular phases. So these are the locators on the this color is the for the lungs, and dotted green is for the bolus, and this solid yellow is LV phase or the density of the curve. So just click proceed. Here it's asking to draw the ROI on the LV. So you just draw them manually. Proceed. RV, LV. Draw the diastolic limiting ROI for the LV. So you can draw on this or this. And these are the EF values: 68%, heart rate, accepted beats, and time to end systole 0.4 second. Then time per frame 0.25 second, 0.025 seconds, and number of frames, end diastolic counts, systolic counts, and number of pixels in the ED and ES. This is the EF graph. Click on the review tab. These are the Q for the quantification like QC data, and beat selection or the motion of the blood, and this is the review tab. So for this study the basic requirement is a good bolus injection. If bolus injection is not there, it's you will not get these values. So bolus dose is very critical in this. Okay, and that's it.
Thank you.